In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos with Gemini Omni using input video to video AI generation. To get started, open Gemini Omni by going to the Gemini video generation page. Keep in mind that video generation and editing features may vary depending on your subscription plan and your region, so if your screen looks a little different or a feature is missing, that is usually the reason. Once you're inside, begin a new video project by clicking Create Video or Video Generation, depending on what appears in your interface. After that, look for the Video to Video option if it's available. This is the feature that lets you upload an existing video and use it as the base for your edit. Go ahead and upload the video you want to transform. This works well when you want to remix footage, restyle a clip, or make targeted visual changes while keeping the original motion and structure as a reference. Next, enter your editing prompt. This is where clarity matters most because Gemini Omni responds to natural language instructions. The more specific you are, the better your result is likely to be. For example, if you want a dramatic visual makeover, you could ask it to transform the video into a cinematic movie trailer with dramatic lighting and camera movement. If your goal is to replace only the environment, you can say to keep the person unchanged but swap the background with a futuristic city at sunset. You can also request precise changes like changing a car from white to metallic blue, while preserving everything else. And if you're creating content for short-form platforms, you can ask for a vertical social media style version with dynamic captions and faster pacing. After writing your prompt, review it carefully before generating, then choose any available settings such as the aspect ratio, whether that's widescreen, vertical, or square, along with the duration and resolution if those options are offered in your workspace. Once everything looks right, click Generate and let Gemini Omni create the edited version. If the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, continue refining it with follow-up prompts. You can ask for warmer lighting, request the same character with a different outfit, add smoother camera movement, or make the intro more attention-grabbing. This conversational editing workflow is one of the biggest advantages of Gemini Omni, because it allows you to improve the video step by step instead of starting over each time. Take your time, be descriptive, and adjust one idea at a time for more consistent results. That's how to edit videos with Gemini Omni using video to video AI generation.